This a young black queen with big dreams, grinding, gotta get to the top, that's any means. This is my life, gonna be alright. She do what she want, she do what she like. This is my life, alright and alright. Hey Bella Beauties, it's your girl Keep Bella back in effect, coming in clutch with part 2. Okay. Let's get into this look. I'm going to start with the face. I have dark spots under my eyes, my nose, and around my mouth. So I'm going to use the orange color corrector. We're going to take the concealer and put it anywhere that you have little dark marks.
Yeah, yeah. I'll forget. I don't know, I'ma forget. I guess I'll start by saying that I don't know, I should take it. I don't know if I'ma ever forget. Hell no, I ain't gonna never forget how she did me. Now you know me.
What I do first is I take my finger and I blend it out with my finger because the oils from your skin blends it in very well.
I don't give a fuck about these hoes, they fucking, they blow. So I don't hug and cuff on the hoe, but she was moving so beautifully. Just had to let her know, different from what I usually see.
I also have a little bit on my nose, so you just put it anywhere that you have dark spots.
Switchy had the glow, fluently, we was moving, so ain't trying to take it slow. Stupidly, I was moving and I didn't even know, but we roll up and get high whenever we feeling low.
Take your beauty blender again. And blend it out. Not too much. Because that is, it's going to act like a coverage.
Shit that you was doing, sweat didn't even show. But the moment that we...
Then we're going to go with foundation. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage. You can also get this at your beauty supply store. Your local beauty supply store. What I do is I put a little bit, like little dots on one side first. Take my beauty blender and blend it in. Cause you want that natural look.
I swear it was a spark and I knew it from the start that you would have my heart, and I knew it in my heart that you would play a part, but I never even thought that you would break my heart. Now this terrible.
Natural, right? It looks like nothing. See? What's the difference? Nothing.
Tear me apart, cause I should've seen it coming. All that fighting and fussing, girl, tell me that was for nothing. Helped you when you were struggling, cause I thought we had something. Now I'm left here with nothing, now I'm left here, so fuck it. I guess I'll start by saying that I don't know how to take it. I don't know if I'ma ever forget it. Hell no, I ain't gonna never forget it, how you did me. I guess I'll start by saying that I don't know how to take it. I don't know.
Now on this side.
If I'ma ever forget it, hell no, I ain't gon' never forget it, how you did me. It's crazy, you made me change all of my ways, and you played me, I dig my own grave, you was my everything, I swear to God, you was my everything, I would do anything, I don't know why I would do anything. Now I'm feeling dumb, nigga, looking like a dumb nigga, would've never fucked with you, should've never fucked with you, and I think I fell in love with you, but that's what switching positions under them covers do. I should've knew, I should've never got too comfortable. I look at you and this other dude like, what's up with you? Remember days that I was the one that you was running to. Should've treated you like them bitches I was running through. Yeah, you make it hard for me to believe you was in love with me. Love with me, I ain't feeling your energy. Nah, I ain't feeling your energy. I ain't feeling your energy, what you telling me? I guess I'll start by saying that I don't know how to take it. I don't know if I'ma ever forget it. Hell no, I ain't gon' never forget it, how you did me. I guess I'll start by saying that I don't know how to take it. I don't know if I'ma ever forget it. Hell no, I ain't gon' never forget it, how you did
But don't I look natural? Okay? Look like I didn't even just put anything on. Now what I'm gonna do is back to that beautiful bronze from LA Program Concealer and do my highlight.
Ain't gotta question my loyalty. Riding with two hoes, and they twin sisters. Hold that, I'ma get right with your plug on the phone. He talking about 3 figures. Get in your back and take off like a rocket. She fucking with me and my drip like a faucet. Playing my dog, you know that I'm biting. Giving that look at JJ gon' strike. Ain't gotta question my loyalty. Riding with two hoes, and they twin sisters. Hold that, I'ma get right with your plug on the phone. He talking.
Your highlights gotta be channeling your inner Black Panther, okay? Wakanda forever.
About 3 figures. Get in your back and take off like a rocket. She fucking with me and my drip like a faucet. Playing my dog, you know that I'm biting.
Yeah, I'm a buster. My diamond ain't jumping. I love it, no hustle. You know I ain't cuffing. I loaded the cash, so you know that I'm
Oh, and if you want your contour to look more sharp, you could do this. You could do that. Or there's another way you can do it, which I'm about to show you. Take the beauty blender and you blend.
You say that's your man, but he really a sucker. Bet don't win this song when he's sitting 11. I can't wait for bitching. I'm on for my chest. You said you a boss, your nigga dry like bomb. Oh, you got shooter, your niggas ain't throwing gun. You niggas just talking, my nigga pop shit for fun. You might think you hot cause you got that baby gun. You niggas ain't talking about shit. Run up on me and I'm popping your wit. You niggas ain't shit, you niggas ain't shit. I'm probably somewhere fucking on a nigga bitch.
Ain't gotta question my loyalty. Riding with 2 hoes, and they twin sisters. Hold that, I'ma get right with your plug on the phone. He talking about 3 figures. Get in your back and take off like a rocket. She fucking with me and my drip like a faucet. Playing my dog, you know that I'm biting. Giving that look at JJ gon' strike. Ain't gotta question my loyalty. Riding with 2 hoes, and they twin sisters. Hold that, I'ma get right with your plug on the phone. He talking about 3 figures. Get in your back and take off like a rocket. She fucking with me and my drip like a faucet. Playing my dog, you know that I'm biting. Giving that look at JJ gon' strike. Stick to the code, never still train team. 30 rounds and it Glock not a beam. How you street? You never been in the streets. Say
The powdery finish with my contour. So
we gon' eat like a treat. Racks up.
Profusion eyeshadow case, and I'm gonna use the brown.
She stay on her knees, saran wrapping. I'ma text on no feet. Pop a perk, then I fuck her to sleep. Nasty bitch, let me paint her teeth. Baby, you knew better, do better. Racks up, now they do jealous. You ain't hard, I heard you tell it. Not the feds, but I'm like, who sell it? Little nigga straight from the east. So solid, they notice me. No cap, I'ma keep it G. So real, you can't feel me. Ain't gotta question my loyalty. Riding with 2 hoes, and they twin sisters. Hold that, I'ma get right with your plug on the phone. He talking about 3 figures. Get in your back and take off like a rocket. She fucking with me and my drip like a faucet. Playing my dog, you know that I'm biting. Giving that look at JJ gon' strike. Ain't gotta question my loyalty. Riding with 2 hoes, and they twin sisters. Hold that, I'ma get right with your plug on the phone. He talking about 3 figures. Get in your back and take off like a rocket. She fucking with me and my drip like a faucet. Playing my dog, you know that I'm biting. Giving that look at JJ gon' strike. Most of these bitches, they just don't listen. They just wanna die, tell me what I'm missing. And like a winter night, you know I keep a wrist glisten. So when we fucking tell me, baby, why you gotta mention these other niggas? Messing with these in and out niggas who counterfeiting. But when a nigga lock, I bet you be on the porch, on your knees, crying, telling how you lost it all. But girl, I seen it all.
I then began to contour my nose, even though it looks like I barely even have a nose.
Before like a Polaroid.
Afterwards, you would want to get a clean eyeshadow brush, okay? A clean one, because you don't want to make that mistake right there that I just made. Like, you don't want to walk around with a black nose and a light face. You don't want to do that.
You don't get the picture, and when you come around, baby.
This is my natural look. Hold on. I'm not doing it though. I'm gonna use, look, LA Pro Girl. It's like I'm sponsoring them. Setting spray. What I tell you, this is a pocket friendly makeup tutorial, whatever. But one thing you need to know, this is okay for right now, but don't ever go cheap on setting spray and primer. Don't. You want your stuff to last all day. All day. What?
Keep it pushing, and like a view master, baby, you just keep on switching. You could go ahead and tell your friends how I be tripping. My friends try to warn me all the time about your shopping.
Or highlighter. Don't ever go cheap on highlighter. I'm gonna use this Kiss All Over Glow bronze powder for my cheeks. Oh, I'm also use this Ulta Beauty right here. It's blush.
When I'm chillin', sippin' in the party, falling to a housewife, I don't want no more daddies like John Gotti. I'm about to catch a whole body. I'ma kick in your door, hit your moms and your pops, then head to the back and fuck your bitch with my Glock. And I brought her Zanny cause I heard she talk a lot.
Eyeliner. I like a dark, but not too dark. A bold look.
And when I'm done, bullets in a nigga like a polka dot. I like it when them niggas hating cause it's good for concentration. Type to be your friend but have your chick talking penetration. This one's for free, so it's a little demonstration. Pulling out your bitch like a train when it leaves station. It seems like you don't get the picture. When you come around, baby, you could keep it pushing. And like a view master, baby, you just keep on switching. You could go ahead and tell your friends how I be tripping. My friends try to warn me all the time about your shop.
I'm gonna do my lip. My lippy. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. This is a lip pencil. Coffee. It's coffee. Sorry.
I like it when I'm chillin', sippin' in the party. Falling to a housewife, I don't want no more daddies like John Gotti. I'm about to catch your whole body. It seems like you don't get the picture. When you come around, baby, you could keep it pushing. And like a view master, baby, you just keep on switching. You could go ahead and tell your friends how I be tripping. My friends try to warn me all the time about your shopping. I see you like it when I'm chillin', sippin' in the party. Falling to a housewife, I don't want no more daddies like John Gotti. I'm about to catch your whole body. I always tell myself, nice, this my last blunt. Always apologize first, cause I'm mad blunt. She had some whack pussy, so she under bad cunt. But I came front, I admit, we had mad fun. Fam acting funny, so I changed the way I move. I'm always on the come up, so a nigga never lose. They callin' black and blue, now I'm walking with some black and blues. Wishing that I lose, but I never do. Nice. It seems like you don't get the picture. When you come around, baby, you could keep it pushing. And like a view master, baby, You just keep on switching. You could go ahead and tell your friends I be tripping. Friends try to warn me all the time about your shawty. I see you like it when I'm chilling, sipping in that party. Going to a housewife, I don't want no more thoughts like.
Let's see this. This is a matte lip cream in the color. Don't really have a color. It's a number, but it's from Ulta Beauty.
I'm about to catch your whole body.
Again with that brown pencil.
Nice niggas would judge you and befriend you at the same time. I need a shorty who gon' stay and remain mine. I'm from the gutter.
Gloss. It's metallic lip shine and K Beauty from the beauty supply store.
Niggas with a stutter, around my nigga butter, shaping niggas like a cookie cutter. They said my pops, I'm not that nigga 6 feet under. Bird bitches with gold tooths and jean jumpers. They acting like the shit they didn't really mean something. Be the types to only come around when they need something. And who am I to talk? Man, you know a nigga nice. Drop the tape, I be in y'all niggas head like lice. I know a couple niggas in the kitchen cooking rice. And if he talking crazy, roll up on him like we playing dice. And when he acting like a bitch, you know we call him dykes. Since a C, you know I was always booking bites. Look at me now, OT, and we booking flights. And if you need your chick, she be busy cause I'm laying pipe. Nice, these niggas be flipping, you know I hate the phony type. I pull up dolo everywhere, I'm just the lonely type. He talking hard around his voice, but don't believe that hype. And I ain't talking left when I tell you that I'ma do him right. I ain't tryna be in love like Tina and Nike. I ain't tryna be in love for only one night. I'm just tryna be above like a satellite. Definition of success before a nigga see the light. You know I'm from the hood, so never come for my head. And all them niggas from the past, you know them niggas dead. Ain't no coming back cause you know that you made your bed. Keep my foot on y'all niggas' necks like a pair of pegs. And in my sesh, only sour, ain't no smoking rags. Giving back to the block, so don't nobody beg. Like Tim Jones, I fly high, I'm on a jet. Hate a lying nigga who be like, yo, that's worth to my set.
And this is my natural beat. Hey Bella Beauties, thank you for your support. I am back. I've been in and out the hospital, so this video was long overdue. I had to finish editing it, but I did it. My new palettes are here, so new videos will be coming shortly. Thank you so much.